in the 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, front wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.